Hi, good afternoon everybody. This is Miss Rhanee. I'm going to explain to you what is past tense for today. This English lesson is basically for children, beginners who want to learn about English. Past tense, okay, what is past tense? Past tense happens when the action has already been taken place, something which you have already done. It is called past tense. Past tense is a change of verb. What is action? What is verb? Okay, look at this. What is verb? Verb is action words like, for example, talk, smile, jump, walk, think. Even the word think is an action word. Whatever you do and whatever is happening, when an action takes place is called action words. So action words usually changes when you do past tense. The verb changes. Verb is action words. If you have a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil, please take note. So past tense split into two different sort of verbs. Take note of it. Two different sorts of verb. One is regular verb, another one is irregular verb. Okay, let's get to know what is a regular verb and what happens if the verb changes. Usually for a regular verb, when the verb changes, the ending letters will be D, ED and IED. How does this happen? Look at these words here. Fry, walk, smile. These are regular verbs which happens usually and most of the time. So fry, which ended with letter Y, it will change when you use the verb in past tense. It will change into FRIED. Just take note, the word fry is a verb. The verb changes into fried. My mom fried egg this morning when the action takes place in the past. Now look at the word walk. Walk changes into an adding of ed in a past. So walk is a verb. When you use this verb for the past tense, it changes to walked, ed. Now look at this, smile. Take note, smile ended up with a e. When a verb ended up with a e, you only have to add a d, which is just add a D. So these are called regular verbs. Now let's look at irregular verbs. Irregular verbs usually no changes or really have changes. Let's get to know about this. Number one is cut, number two is put, number three is speak. Cut is a verb. In past tense, it remains the same, which is cut. There is no changes. Put is a verb, and for the past tense it's still a put. It has no changes. Speak, look at the word speak carefully. In past tense it's changed into spoke. So look at this, you have to memorize the spelling because spelling changes when you use the verb speak in past tense. So you'll be asking back, Teacher Rhanee, how am I to remember all this? How to master? Yes. To master past tense, you have to study the past tense table by heart. You have to get to know what is regular verbs. You have to get to know what is irregular verbs. You have to know these two different sorts of verbs in past tense. So you have to study the past tense table. Number two, you have to do lots of practices and more activities. And of all the most, whenever you are free, you have to revise. Past tense are action words, which is a verb. Two different sorts of past tense. One is regular verb, another one is irregular verb. Take note of all these changes in regular verb. Take note of all these changes in irregular verbs and how does the verb changes in past tense. What else we can do? You have to use proper tenses when you are speaking English. Do not speak English too fast, and when you are actually speaking English, please use proper tenses, and this will help you to remember past tense. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.